What's up, guys? Today, me and Kat are going to be playing Soperinfection in public lobbies. Let's get it.
Is it on the...
Yeah, for me it is.
Group?
Yeah, I'm in group. I'm in. Oh my gosh.
Don't tag me. I want to tell you
Okay.
something, and then you tag me.
How do I get thrusters?
Can I tell you something? And then after I'm done telling you, come tag me. I didn't tag you. They did.
Bro. I did not tag you.
What was that? I'm not it. Yes,
when
you
you're
did.
How do I get Dude, I can't get stupid thrusters. No, kid, come back, kid. Oh, thank you. No, but who was that one kid that gave me really good thrusters, but they literally just
Okay,
fell
man.
off, and I think someone else stole them.
You're gonna get one line.
Boost! Oh, that's very sick.
No, don't tag her. Don't tag them. How would you do that?
Hey, do I hit this to the spins my rocket? Oh, I can't. I don't think. I need two.
Go get me my I got
Wait, the sprinkle thing.
my son was a stick. Go get me. Where did it go? So first it has to make a long
Hey,
I'll take it.
34?
Do you want to do that? I'll give you a present.
Casual?
I just went. Okay.
Oh, my stupid. Almost.
Does anybody have a long hand that I
Oh
can
my gosh, I
have?
flew. What's this?
No, come
Oh.
on.
What if a tree's falling apart?
Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm not calling off. Oh no, there's a web of monkeys. I'm not calling off.
No! Ito, boom, boom. Get out of my stuff.
Oh. Gravity. There's a whole bunch of gravity coils over here.
These stupid thrusters are so useful. Oh my goodness. No calling
I
off.
can't find
Oh, that's gonna be a lot faster
No.
with this.
Yeah, what about it?
I can't find this thing.
Yeah, I can still, but it's fake. No. Oh, I didn't. Oh, you seriously think he's gonna call the police? Bro.
Follow me, bro.
What? You want one?
Who's calling the police?
Okay, I have to put that in there. In that. It didn't do anything. I put the stupid things it wanted into shiny
I'm
rocks.
trying to look for mine. Aren't I?
Wait, can I purchase? Can I purchase these?
Who is the last person?
Wait, go here.
¿Cómo consigo esto?
No, like, who's the last person that's not it?
Person?
Put your hands on this.
Oh, it's Blue. Where's Blue at?
These things are so
Give on
crazy.
me. Give on me.
Where's Blue at?
Okay. Everybody.
Where's Blue at? Blue, Blue, where are you?
I'm over
Hey,
here.
guess what I'm playing on? He's over
Ah! What?
Oh,
So I was the last one tagged?
Yeah, you're the last one tagged.
Oh, so I'm the king?
Yeah.
now what did he say? Get
Okay.
a name on.
So,
Yes.
I guess that's the
What?
Oh yeah, y'all wanna slide? Alright, I hope y'all go to the slide. Who just leveled up or whatever?
Yeah.
I was sliding the whole time. Wait, no, how do I get thrusters? No, I won't tag you. How do I get thrusters? Like, how do I level up to get thrusters?
My dad was able to.
Can you show me? Nobody tag him, no one tag him. Try to find your name over here.
Wait.
Yeah.
So you want to get these? You want to get these?
What's your name?
You want to get these?
I don't know what it is. Look, what is it? What does it say?
It says gorilla.
It says gorilla.
It's
Do you want to change that?
he doesn't know which one. Don't tag me.
Do you know how to change gorilla?
I flew up.
I downloaded Roblox. Logan, can I change my gorilla name so we can like get thrusters and stuff?
Oh, ooh, got tagged. Oh.
My gorilla name
What are you playing on?
so we can get thrusters and stuff. Yeah, it is. So I can like see where I am.
What? Power it off and then play again.
Wow. Congo. I have no stinking thrusters. Can I or no?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
Hello.
Oh. Run, cat, yeah.
Tell me this
Uh-oh.
is a normal lobby. I don't know which gorilla I am, but I need to know to be able to. It's a normal lobby. Yes, it's a normal lobby. Yeah, I don't know which one it is. Is it just gonna be over there? Is that what my name's gonna be? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, your name's gonna be changed on the leaderboard.
Alright, guys.
Wiggly.
We're still in a public.
My friend,
Cat's trying to
this is
help
not
somebody get
mine.
thrusters.
So, and my
These
friend
things.
just said that
Oh.
his name is Summers.
So, yeah.
Bro,
putting this
thank goodness
screen.
this is a normal lobby. You're not on here, Logan. It's not Pip.
Hey, bro. Come to my dad's house. It looks like a
Because
mansion.
if I know my name, I
Brown.
can, like,
Oh, that's
exchange it for some
right.
points. Get thrusters and stuff.
Yeah.
Am I the last person?
Yeah.
Can you play Roblox on my VR? Yes, but don't throw them away because
Okay.
I was in the lobby and people were begging for stuff, bro. On VR? No, yeah, how do you throw them away? Because I've been using... No, because you would get them, and then the
One,
kids,
two,
they would just take them
three.
off and throw them away.
3, 3, 4. 4. Here. Yeah. Hey, bro, follow me.
Hey.
Follow me.
Yo, what's good?
I follow
There.
you? My graphics changed. Yeah, I'm gonna give you my best present.
Put them on the blue dot on your...
Dang it.
That's walk over there.
I'll just get on my... on...
I'm not
Yeah, I'm joining back. Okay, I'm back.
Okay.
Is it just us?
Yeah, take me over there. Take me there.
Over
You keep your first.
over here?
How do you get them?
How do you get the thrusters? Oh, come on.
Not me, idea.
Help another monkey collect pieces of floppy metal. Okay. Alright, follow me. You need to collect floppy metal. Let the thrusters charge.
I gotta get tagged 10.
You gotta get 10 tags. Or does it?
Get tagged. So I need to tag you 10 times, so. Does that work? Yeah, tag me back. But the thing is, how do I get thrusters? Give me one of those.
This is what you're trying to get right here. Actually, no. Where is the thrusters? I found the thrusters.
This is mine, bro.
I want thrusters. I need. Okay, so I just need 8 of these. I need help you get metal. Okay, let's go. I'll help you get metals, floppy metals. Okay, there's one over here. Come here. Take this metal. Take this metal.
Okay.
Hey, you should add me on the thing.
Me too. Some people.
Go put the thing in.
Yeah, but I need to tag you 10 times. I have some tags. I need like 3 more.
If you have 7, you need 3 more.
Yeah, that's what I said. Bruh. Bruh, I couldn't get you there.
3 rounds in beach. Okay, we have to go to beach.
Did we end it right now or not yet?
Okay, we gotta go collect pieces of strange wood. There's a strange wood over here.
Give me one.
But how we collect it? This is strange. Wait, that's the strange wood?
Yeah.
I thought this was the strange wood. Oh, you want one of my thrusters? I got you.
I thank you so much.
I did not mean to do that.
Get tagged. I just had that one.
Oh. I'm doing research. Oh, even better thrusters.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Where'd you go? What is it?
It goes straight up. These are better thrusters.
Give me one. Give me one.
Alright, come here. Take this.
Bro, hold up.
Oh no.
Can you only get one?
Whee!
Where did my thruster go? I only have one.
It disappears. It disappears. It disappears now.
I need one. Give me one more, bro.
I need. How do you get weather charge? I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Oh. I need that. I need research. I mean, not research, but okay. I'm gonna go to beach and play 3 rounds in there. So if you wanna come with me, you can.
I'm going to. What happened to my thruster? You've been going.
Oh my goodness, that lag spike. Oh. You missed the jump.
No. Did I get on the camera or not?
You're still on yeah, I got that on camera.
I meant. What I said.
I don't know what word you said, so I'll probably.
It's right here.
Sure. I don't know what word you said, but yeah. Sure. Yeah. Oh. I feel like we should end the video here.
We need to do one of these.
Oh, one of those videos?
Yeah. We need to go up there.
Okay. I'm gonna end this video. Come here. Come here.
We're making the short of that.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the video. Remember, if you like this video also, just leave a like or subscribe down below.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.